subscribe.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today's topic is trigonometric identities. As we know that equation is called an identity when it is true for all the values of variables involved. We know that an equation is termed as an identity when it is true for all the values of the variables involved. Similarly, if we take a trigonometric identity into consideration, we can say that an equation involving the trigonometric ratios of an angle is called a trigonometric identity. Now, in order to prove these identities, what we do, we take a right angle triangle ABC, a right angled at B, ABC. We take a right angled triangle ABC, right angled at B with angle A as a working angle. हम angle A को working angle यहाँ पे लेते हैं, and we know that then the side opposite the working angle is the perpendicular side, opposite side, and the side that is adjacent to this side, this working angle, is known as base side, and the side opposite the larger angle is the longest side, that is the hypotenuse side. Now we have determined the trigonometric identities while taking this triangle ABC into consideration. What we do, we take a right angled triangle ABC, a right angled at B. We take a right angled triangle ABC, right angled at B with angle A as a working angle. And we know that in right angled triangle ABC, we know by Pythagoras theorem, that is hypotenuse square AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. In case of a right angled triangle, we know that hypotenuse square equals the sum of the squares of the two sides. Here hypotenuse square, that is the longest side opposite the right angle, that is AC square, equals the sum of the squares of remaining two sides. Let me take this as equation first. Divide all the terms of equation first, that is divide equation first on both sides by first by कैसे हम AC square we get, that is AC square divided by AC square equals to AB square by AC square plus BC square divided by AC square. Clear? हाँ. We know that PBP upon HHB. हाँ. तो AC by AC, that is 1 equals to AB by AC whole square plus BC by AC whole square. 1 equals to, we see what we observe, AB here it is side, that is adjacent side to the acute angle to the working angle. So यहाँ पे इस we take it as base divided by AC, that is the side opposite to the larger angle is the longest side, and that is the hypotenuse side, that is base by hypotenuse square, plus BC. So BC, it is opposite side to the acute angle to the working angle, that is perpendicular, by AC hypotenuse whole square. Or we can write it as तो यहाँ पे that is 1 equals to base by hypotenuse, that is cos, ऊपर square इसका है और एक एंगल A है, cos square A plus perpendicular by hypotenuse, that is sin square A, or we can write it as sin square A plus cos square A equals to 1. Clear? That is sin square A equals to 1, ट्रांसपोज करते हैं माइनस cos square A, और cos square A equals to 1 minus sin square A. Clear? Now divide equation first on both sides by इससे पहले किया था ए सी स्क्वायर, अब हम ए बी स्क्वायर से करेंगे. ए बी स्क्वायर वी गेट, तो दैट इज इक्वेशन फर्स्ट है. ए सी स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू ए बी स्क्वायर प्लस बी सी स्क्वायर. क्लियर? दैट इज ए सी स्क्वायर बाय ए बी स्क्वायर प्लस ए बी इक्वल्स टू ए बी स्क्वायर बाय ए बी स्क्वायर. तो डिवाइड किया हमने एज पर क्वेश्चन, तो बी सी स्क्वायर डिवाइडेड बाय ए बी स्क्वायर. क्लियर? और वी कैन राइट एज ए सी बाय ए बी होल स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू 1 प्लस बी सी बाय ए बी होल स्क्वायर. Or we can write as AC, it is hypotenuse side divided by AB, that is base. यहाँ पे हाँ AB base square equals to 1 plus BC perpendicular by AB, that is base square. So hypotenuse divided by base, hypotenuse by base, that is sec square A equals to 1 plus perpendicular by base, that is tan square A. Or we can write as sec square A minus 1 equals to tan square A, or sec square A minus tan square A, हमने ट्रांसपोज किया यहाँ पे, इक्वल्स टू 1. तो और 3 होगी. अब also divide all the terms of equation first on both sides by BC square, we get AC भी किया, AB भी किया, BC की टर्म. तो that is equation first है AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. We can write it as AC square by BC square equals to AB square divided by BC square plus BC square by BC square. Clear? Or we can write as AC by BC whole square equals to AB by BC whole square plus 1. We can say that AC it is the hypotenuse side और BC यहाँ पे है, हाँ BC तो परपेंडिकुलर इक्वल्स टू AB बेस डिवाइडेड बाय BC परपेंडिकुलर स्क्वायर प्लस 1. We know that hypotenuse by perpendicular, that is cosec square A equals to 1 plus बेस बाय परपेंडिकुलर हो गया cot square A, that is cosec square A minus 1 equals to cot square A, or cosec square A minus cot square A equals to 1. This is all about today's video lecture. Go through these identities and after that we will move towards exercise number 8.4 where these 9 identities are involved. Hope that you will go through these and we will meet in the next lecture very soon. Thank you.